Okay, now you everyone sit properly, set your camera properly and take your book, behave, open the lesson, packing. Today we read the new chapter. The name of that chapter is Packing, written by Jeremy K. Jeremy. Written by Jeremy K. Jeremy. Okay. Now you everyone open that chapter. Is it open?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. This is the 7th chapter from your book details, and the name of this chapter is Packing. And you know, everyone, you know that the word packing or pack. Clear? Whenever you go to somewhere else or for some trip, you everyone pack your luggage. Okay, or you pack so many things like clothes, like shoes, like toothbrush, like shop, so many things, whatever you want on that place. So in this chapter we read about the how to pack or how to packing whenever और जब कभी भी हम we go to some other place for picnic or for trip or for any other things. So in this chapter there are 3 characters. Okay, how many characters are there? There are
I'm
3
three.
characters.
Character.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
George and then Harris. George and Harris. These all 3 are friends. Okay, and they all decided to go somewhere else and they packed their things. So many things. Okay, so firstly we read this chapter, then understand what they pack or how they pack. How can they pack all the things? Okay, so now the first, that is Piyush. Piyush,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Piyush,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, beta, firstly you set your camera properly because your face is not visualized. Anyway, now you read the first 2 paragraphs of this chapter. Now start.
I said it the pack. I rather pride myself on my packing. Packing is one of those many things that I feel I know more
Read
about
loudly,
than
loudly.
and
Piyush, loudly.
yes, ma'am, than any other person living. It surprises me myself sometimes how many such things there are. I impressed the fact upon Georg and Harris and told them that they had better leave the whole matter entirely to me. They fell into the suggestion with a readiness that had something uncanny about it. Georg Georg spread himself over the easy chair and Harris cocked his legs on the table. This was hardly what I intended, what I had meant of course.
Intended. What I intended.
What I had meant, of course, was that I should boss the job and that Harris and Georg should potter about under my directions. I pushing them aside every now and then with, "Oh, you, here, let me do it." There you are, simple enough. Really teaching them, as you might say. They're taking it in the way they did irritated me. There is nothing that irritates me more than seeing other people sitting about doing nothing when I am working.
Okay, Piyush. Okay. So here the word I, the first word is I, that referred to author, clear, or narrator. I said, who said that? Who said that? The first line, I said I had passed, means who said? I refer to
Some author.
author. Yes. Who said this? This said by author. Okay. I said I had packed. What they packed? We don't know. So I rather pride myself on my packing. Rather pride myself means proud of. Okay. I am proud of on my packing. Who has this proud? This is author. Okay. Author had proud of himself on packing. Packing is one of those many things that I feel, who feel, author feel, that I know more about than any other person living. Means here, author said that, means he had packed the things and just wait. No. So here, author said means he is one of those person who are so interested for packing. Okay? मतलब ये ऐसा person है जिसको packing में बहुत interest है. And it surprised me myself how many such things there are. Means how many things that's one related to their packing. So that things are so important for them. And author very interestingly pack all that things into the bag. Then I impressed the fact upon. Then author impressed his friends George and Harris and told to them that you don't take any botheration about packing, and I did it very carefully. Okay, and leave all the things entirely to me. Then they fell into means that friends, Harris and George, they both fell into means they both accept that, and Ruddy had something uncanny. Underline this word, uncanny. Uncanny means strange. Okay. They fell into the suggestions means that friends agree to that suggestion and ready and had something uncanny about it means and they do something that one is very strange for author. Then George spread himself over the easy chair means then after George sit on the easy chair and the Harris put his legs on the table और the Harris ने अपनी chair जो है cooked on the clear okay
Yes, ma'am.
then this was hardly what I intended. Intended means intuitions मतलब मेरा कोई ऐसा मतलब नहीं था कि वो आराम से अपनी चेयर पे और वो अपने टेबल पर पांव रखकर बैठ जाए okay what I had mean but actually our meaning is this I should boss the job means actually author means he become the boss and he ordered to both of them you do this you pack this you मतलब you do all that things मतलब जो author है वो as a boss work करना चाहता है okay and he decided to only order to the Harris and George clear then I should boss the job and that Harris and George should potter about under my direction. Potter about, underline this word also. Potter about means do something unimportant things. Okay? Means जो वो दोनों जब कोई unimportant things काम कर रहे हो on that time means that on that time author told to them that you don't do this and do your concentrate on your main work clear then I pushing them aside every now and then with oh you here let me do it means or on that case I told to them that you don't you do this work let me do it ओके मतलब जब हैरिस और जॉर्ज हैं वो दोनों काम को छोड़कर कोई और काम कर रहे हो या वो पैकिंग करते वक्त गलत काम कर रहे हो तब मैं उन्हें बोल सकूं ओ यू हियर लेट मी डू इट मतलब तुम्हें ये नहीं आ रहा है छोड़ो तो मैं करता हूं dear you are simple enough and this work is very simple let me do it then really teaching them as you might say okay they are taking it in the way they did irritate me but जो उन्होंने काम किया that's irritate to the author means author चाह रहा था कि वो as a boss काम करे but जॉर्ज और हैरिस ने उसकी पैकिंग करने वाली हैबिट को सिंपली लिया और बोला कि ठीक है तुम करो और हम रेस्ट करते हैं एंड दैट थिंग्स इरिटेट द ऑथर देयर इज नथिंग डज इरिटेट मी मोर देन सीइंग अदर पीपल सिटिंग अबाउट डूइंग नथिंग व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग नाउ हियर ऑथर सेड दैट he irritate to those person who are sitting in very मतलब those persons who are sitting in a idle way मतलब सुस्त होके lazy होके जो बैठे रहते हैं and those persons who do not do any work कि जो कोई काम नहीं करते हैं that persons so irritated to the author clear
Yes,
now
ma'am.
these two
Yes, ma'am.
are everyone okay now the next that is third and fourth paragraph. Read by, here is, that is read by Nikhil. Registration number 08. Nikhil,
Yes, ma'am.
now you read the paragraph
Yes,
third
ma'am.
and fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up. Nikhil, are you there? Nikhil, I again say to everyone, turn on your camera. No way? Anyway, now Ruchit Sharma. Ruchit Sharma. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
You read the third and fourth paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. I lived with a man once who used to make the mat that way. He would loll on the sofa and watch me doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look on at me messaging about. Now I am not like that. I can sit still and see another man slaving and working. I want to get up and superintend and walk around with my hands in my pockets and tell him what to do. It is my energetic nature. I can't help it. However, I did not say anything but started the packing. I seemed a longer job than I had thought it was going to be, but I got the bag finished at last and I sat on it and strapped it. And you going to put the boots in? Said Harris. And I looked down, found I forgotten them. That just like Harris, he could have said the word until I had got the bag shut and strapped, of course. And Georgie laughed, one of those irritating, senseless laughs of his. They do make me so wild.
Okay. So here, I lived with the man means author lived with the man once a time who used to make me mad that way. Means that person make him mad. Okay. He would loll on the sofa and watch me doing things by the hour together. Means in once upon a time when the author lived with a man and that man in every time watched him whenever he had to do something or he had doing something, and togetherly he that person told to him in every time, you do this like that way, you do this like that way, you do this like that way. मतलब वो पर्सन जो है वो हमेशा ऑथर को कुछ ना कुछ सजेस्ट करता रहता था कि तुम ये काम ऐसे करो ऐसे करो ऐसे करो. So he said it him real good to look at me messing about. Now I am not like that. I can't sit still and see another man slaving and working. Means, so that's why with the means with that person's that author and that both have a habit to don't sit like a lazy person. Okay, means वो दोनों की अब ऐसी नेचर बन चुकी थी कि वो अब एक लेजी पर्सन की बेस पर नहीं बैठ सकते थे and they can't see to any other men who are working. मतलब जो वो ना ही किसी पर्सन को ऐसा देख सकते थे जो काम कर रहा है. ठीक है, clear? Then I want to get up and pretend. Then author means those person who are working on that time. Author get up and superintend on that person and walk around with my hands in my pocket and tell him what to do. Okay, it is my energetic nature, and that was the energetic nature of author, and I can't help it. मीन्स ऑथर की नेचर अब ऐसी थी कि वो किसी भी पर्सन को जो मतलब काम कर रहा है उसको काम करते देखकर खुद लेजी होकर बैठना उसकी नेचर में नहीं था. ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई नाउ ही बिकम ए एनर्जेटिक मैन. Then however I did not say anything but started the packing. Then author again start the packing, and it seemed a longer job than I had thought it was going to be, and it was a longer job for packing something that was the longer job. Okay, longer job that was the. So I got the bag finished at last. Then he got the bag and finished at last, and he sat on it, means the author sat on that bag and strapped it. Strapped it means उसको बंद कर रहा है, उसकी जो लेसेस है उसके साथ है, उसकी जो स्ट्रिप है उसके साथ उसको बंद कर रहा है. Then are not you going to put the boots in, said Harris. Then Harris told to the author, you don't put the boots in it, मतलब तुम इसमें बूट नहीं डालोगे. And I looked round and found I had forgotten them. Then author looked around, means उसने पीछे मुड़कर देखा, and he forgotten them, मतलब he forgot that boots. Okay, means that boot, he forgot that boot to fill up on that bag. That's just like Harris. I couldn't have said a word until I had got the bag shut and strapped. Then the author shut down the bag, means उसने बैग को खोला, उसकी स्ट्रैप को खोला, and of course and George laughed. On that time मीन्स हैरिस ने उसको बोला कि तुम ये बूट इसके अंदर नहीं डालोगे. तब ऑथर ने फिर से बैग खोला, उसके अंदर बूट डाले और इसको देखकर जॉर्ज हंसने लगा. ओके, वन ऑफ दोस इरिटेटिंग सेंसलेस लाफ at of his. So that's laughing nature, or that's laugh कि जब जॉर्ज हंस रहा है, the laughing situations of by the George, that's so irritating and senseless to the author. Okay, means author को उस वक्त he feel means very irritating and senseless things. Then they do make me so wild, और वो मतलब मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा दिला रही थी. That things make me angry, not me, author. Clear? Now the next from the 5th and 6th paragraph, that is written by Tanish. Tanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you read.
I opened the bag and packed the boots in, and then just as I was going to close it. Yes, ma'am.
Tanish, now you mute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Tanish, you mute yourself.
Ma'am, now my voice is coming.
told to Tanish, now you mute yourself. तनिष आपके पीछे से साउंड की म्यूजिक आ रही थी. म्यूजिक की साउंड आ रही थी आपके. Now next Divyanshu. Divyanshu, now you read the paragraph 5th and 6th.
Yes, ma'am. I opened the bag and packed the boat in, and then just as I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. Had I packed my toothbrush? I do not know how it is, but I never do know whether I have packed my toothbrush. My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling and make my life a mystery. I dream that I have not packed it and wake up in a cold preparation and get out of bed and hunt for it. And in the morning, I packed it before I have used it and have to unpack again to get it. And it is always and have to unpack again to get. And it was always the last thing I turn out of the bag, and then I repacked and forget it and have to rush on start for it at the last moment and cry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket.
Wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. Okay, now next. 6th para.
Of Kazor, I have to
Of course, I had to
turn every mortal thing out now, and of Kazor, I could not find it. I ran that thing up into much. The thing up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created, and when
chose design
or color, I found
George and Harris.
But I could not find my own. I put the thing back on one by one, and held everything up and shook it. Then I found it inside a boat. I repacked once more.
Okay. Okay, Divyanshu, you make a habit to read a 1 page daily from any book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You read one page daily. You make it habit. Okay. So then I open the bag and pack the book in it. Then author open the bag and pack that boot on it. And then just I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. When the author closed the zip or closed the bag, one horrible idea which one occurred in his mind. And that idea about his toothbrush means, had I packed my toothbrush, author realized, had I packed my toothbrush, क्या मैंने अपना toothbrush pack किया होगा? I don't know how it is. Clear? Means author don't know how it is and never to know whether I have packed my toothbrush or not. Means at this time author have no idea about the packing of his toothbrush. Okay. Then my toothbrush is a thing that haunts. Okay. Haunts. Now you underline this word Haunts. Haunts means repeatedly give trouble. मीन्स बार बार जो चीजें हमें ट्रबल क्रिएट करती हैं हमारी लाइफ में, प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करती हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड हॉन्ट. एंड द मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑथर forget that things and these things create haunt in his life. Okay, and this thing create haunt in his life. And whenever I am traveling, who are traveling? That's author is traveling, and it make a mystery in his life. Means maximum time whenever he was going for some traveling or going for traveling, always that toothbrush things haunt to him, and it makes his life misery. Misery means sorrow. Okay. Then I dream I have not packed it. On that time he dreamed, not real, not fact, but he dreamed. मतलब जब भी वो कहीं घूमने जाता है तो उसको ऐसा ही लगता है कि वो अपना टूथब्रश भूल गया है, और अब उसको ये एक एज ए ड्रीम शो होता है कि आई ड्रीम आई हैव नॉट पैक्ड इट. मीन्स that author had dreamed he had not packed his toothbrush and wake up in a cold perspirations. Okay, means बहुत ठंड में he wake up and get out of bed and hunt for it. Clear? And in the morning I pack it. Means that dream, वो ड्रीम उसको काफी डरा देता है कि उसने टूथब्रश पैक नहीं किया है. And in the morning, and on the next morning, he packed it before I have used it. And the author get up on the next morning and pack on that brush before use it. मतलब use करने से पहले ही उसको पैक कर दिया. And have to unpack again to get it, and it is always the last thing I turn out of the bag. And then I repack them and forget it, and have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. और then again मतलब जब उसने वो अपने बैग में पैक कर दिया और फिर उसके ऊपर बाकी थिंग्स डाल दी, उसके बाद वो फिर भूल गया कि क्या had I packed my toothbrush or not. Okay, then again he carry out the another toothbrush in the railway station and then wrap on that with his handkerchief and then put on in the bag. Okay, of course, I have to turn every mortal things. Okay, mortal things means every ordinary things. Now you underline this. Every mortal things. Every mortal things means every ordinary things, common things, journal things. Okay. So turn every mortal things out now, and of course I could not find it. Means of course it's happened so many times, means every ordinary things he put down on the bag, in the bag, and most of the time he forget that. And I rummed, RUMMAGED. Rummed means a hurried or careless way. Okay, the things up into much the same state that they must have been before the world was created and when chose designed. Okay, so these things, these careless things, maximum time happened in his life. In whose life? That is happened in the author life, and it was, means its a word was created. Then of course I found George and Harris. Okay, then author found the George and Harris 18 times over, but I